Hey, coughing is one of the post-COVID conditions, according to CDC website. According to Chinese medicine organ theory, lung controls breathing, and there is COVID virus attacking lung. So lung out of balance, therefore not controlling breathing properly, then cause coughing as a result. Now we also know that lung and large intestine are twin sister. So which means if you suffer from lung problem, it may affect your bowel motion. So your bowel motion may go diarrhea or constipation, right? That's one of the common conditions of COVID symptoms. Now, apart from that, lung control skin function, while lungs also control skin functioning. So you may also get skin rash or skin itchiness. Well, in the emotional energy side, that lung out of balance, you may get sadness or grief. All these add-on conditions may happen with your COVID symptom, with your coughing after post-COVID conditions. Well, we all have lung meridian, the meridian from here up to here and go direct to connect to lungs. Therefore, with your coughing conditions, we can actually do some acupressure point on the lung meridian to help the lung function get better. Let me give you some tips how to deal with post-COVID coughing. Here you go. Let's locate the meridian first from your thumb down to here, over here on the wrist. This is lung point. And on your elbow, if you bend your elbow a little bit, and there's a tendons over here, and then on the thumb side of the tendons, over here. So draw this line to here. This is the lung meridian. And it's so simple. You just need to get your palm and keep tapping for 5 minutes once every day. You can do it more often. Hey, give it a go. It may help you recover faster. Hey, we do run an online consultation. You can contact us to make an appointment. If you want more information about post-COVID conditions, follow us on